والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 25. Be on prefixes and suffixes. And today is the last part of this series. I'm so excited. But anyways, what are suffixes? Well, suffixes are the attachments that come after a word, not before a word. And there are the most 10 common suffixes that occur in the Quran. They occur almost 9,000 times. Such a big number, but not bigger than the prefixes number. Anyways, so they occur almost once in every single line in the Quran. Wow! Now let's practice the 10 most common suffixes that occur in the Quran. Repeat after me twice. The first one is who. جعله 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 عبده عبده عبده. The next one is hum. أطعمهم أطعمهم أطعمهم. كيدهم كيدهم كيدهم. The next one is get. عليك عليك عليك. عندك عندك عندك. The next one is قم. دينكم دينكم دينكم. ذكركم ذكركم ذكركم. Now يا ساكنة. ربي ربي ربي. صدري صدري صدري. The next one is na. ربنا ربنا ربنا. اهدنا اهدنا اهدنا. The next one is ha. موتها موتها موتها. وقودها وقودها وقودها. The next one is he. فضله فضله فضله. أمره أمره أمره. The next one is him. ربهم ربهم ربهم. أبصارهم أبصارهم أبصارهم. The next one is ni. أعني أعني أعني. أنبئوني أنبئوني أنبئوني. So, Alhamdulillah, we have come to the end of this lesson, the end of this series. I am so excited. And now it's time for a big party and for Quran recitation. You can invite your friends for a very big party because you have finished your tajweed. And you can also recite your Quran in the party with your tajweed you just learned. Oh, I remember when I finished my tajweed and my mom invited all of my friends for a very big party. It was so fun. I also recited Quran in that very big party. So, may Allah accept all of our efforts and the people who did this video. May Allah also make all of us a very good reciter. And may Allah also grant us all Jannah. And may Allah also help us to recite understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.